Lightning arrestors are important in remote antenna installations as they will shunt electrical transients such as lightning or stray charges in the atmosphere to ground. Here are a number of remote antenna and lightning arrestor installations, which all look very different. The installations on the left are where the gateway is mounted inside a building or an enclosure. The ones on the right are where the gateway or device is outside. Two general things to note. 1. The lightning arrestor is always mounted outside. This is done to avoid a high voltage discharge indoors. 2. The lightning arrestor is mounted at the device or at the gateway when outside. And of course, it is important that they are all grounded and sealed. Here is a list of other wireless how-to videos available on YouTube. Use the URL below to view the complete educational services course offering.